Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to change your mobile hotspot password on your iPhone. So the first thing you have to do is just open your phone and go into the settings. And in the settings, you just need to go into the personal hotspots. In this personal hotspot, in the upper line here, you will have two choices. Either you want to do an allow others to join, or there will be also a Wi-Fi password. So if you want to change it, you just need to go click this part. And now you can change from the previous password into the new password that you want to have. For example, and whenever you're done, you just need to go click done. And now you already have the new password for your personal hotspot. So I suggest you to change it like regularly so that there will be no people that can automatically connect into your personal hotspot. So that's the way how to change your personal hotspot password on your iPhone. If you find that today's tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.